Alright, hopefully you have watched my other videos. So now we are going to continue with the class how to install Python in a Mac. Usually Python it comes already installed, so it's very easy, but anyway I'm going to show you, and in the next class I'm going to show you how to install Python in a Windows computer. So let's start. Let's switch to the computer. So that way I'm going to show you here what I have. So I'm going to clean up the screen, and you can press ctrl L. So in this case, to start the terminal, all you have to do is press command and then type terminal. As you can see, press enter. Once you press enter, you will see the black screen that you see here. So here you are going to type Python, P-Y-T, and then you can tap press tab, and then you will type the rest. And then as you can see, we see Python 2.7. It says it's not recommended, so don't use it. So this is an obsolete version, and you have two options. So you can type exit, open parenthesis and close parenthesis, enter, or you can type Python again, and then you can press Ctrl Z, and then you are out as well. So we press Ctrl L again to delete the screen. Now I'm going to show you something else. Python, and then press tab. So as you saw, it typed the rest. I press Python tab again. So as you can see, we have Python 2, Python 2.7, we have Python 3. So let's type Python 3. Then we press enter. As you can see, we have Python 3.8.2. So the latest, at least today, is 3.9.5. So almost the latest one, but I'm going to show you how to upgrade it. It's very easy. So here, as you can see, we're going to press Ctrl Z, or like I said before, if you are here, you can type exit, and then parenthesis, open and close it, done, and then you're out. So I'm going to clean the screen. I'm going to download Python so that way you can see. Allow, and then we're going to wait a little bit. There we go. Alright, so now that we have it here, double click here, and then in my other screen we will see in order to install Python 3, you have to have the Mac OS 10.9 or later, otherwise it will not work. So if you have a very old computer, you might be in trouble. So continue here, continue, agree, continue everything, continue, next. Basically, here you type your password. I think I don't have any password. Oh, yes, I have one on this computer, and that's it. So very easy. In Windows, it should be kind of the same. So here, as you can see, we have 3.9. So now we can close this up, close, move to trash, and there you go. So we had in this case, we had to close the terminal. So that way we have the latest and greatest. As you can see, we have always the older version, and now we have the 3.9. So if we type just Python 3, you will see we have the latest is 3.9. This is the same one that we just downloaded, and from here you can do almost anything. So in this case, we're going to exit and clean window the screen, and that's it. So now I'm going to show you in the next class how to install it for Windows, and see you in the next class.